Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how I made korma. The ingredients are listed below. Begin by sauteing chopped onions and wait for it to caramelize until it has reached a deep brown color and cool it down. Then in a food processor, combine the caramelized onions followed by the cashew nuts and put a bit of water to make it to a paste. Then in another bowl, pour in yogurt, followed by red chili powder, coriander and cumin powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, and stir it well until it becomes a spiced yogurt. Now in a pan, saute in bay leaves, grated garlic, and grated ginger until it becomes fragrant. Then toss in the chicken and make sure to mix it with the sauteed ingredients. Next is to put cinnamon powder, cardamom powder, cloves powder, ground pepper, and salt. Then mix it all together until it's well combined. Next is to add your spiced yogurt and mix it again until all the chicken is coated. Allow it to simmer, and when you see that the oils have separated from the yogurt sauce, add in the cashew and caramelized onions paste and mix it all together until well combined. Now add some water to reduce the thickness of the sauce and to allow it to simmer until all the chicken has been cooked all the way through. Don't forget to taste it and season it as you prefer. Then garnish it with cilantro. Enjoy!